Are you looking for best sewing machines? Here we welcome you to the latest selection of top sewing machines. Please subscribe to our channel for more top-rated product reviews, comparisons and gadgets collections. Let's start. At number 10 we have SE600, Computerized Best Sewing Machine. The SE600 comes with 80 built-in designs and 6 embroidery lettering fonts for personalizing your projects. This sewing and embroidery combo machine includes an automatic needle threader that perfectly pushes the thread through the needle and a convenient, jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. This machine features 103 sewing stitches including 10 styles of auto-size buttonholes. Maximum sewing speed. The Brother SE600 computerized sewing and embroidery machine features a large 3.2 LCD color touchscreen allowing you to preview your designs before stitching. This computerized combo machine is built with a 4 inches by 4 inches embroidery field with an included hoop, embroidery arm and 7 sewing feet. 4 inches x 4 embroidery field, with an included 4 inches x 4 hoop, embroidery arm and embroidery foot. Large 3.2 inches So Smart Color LCD touch screen display allows you to view your designs in full color before stitching. 80 high quality, built-in embroidery designs, including decorative alphabet, borders, holiday, florals, kids and applique. 6 embroidery lettering fonts for personalizing your creations. At number 9 we have XR9550PRW, Best Sewing Machines. Celebrate your inner designer with this limited edition Project Runway computerized sewing machine by Brother. The XR9550PRW is an easy-to-use computerized sewing machine that is built for durability and flexibility and helps the sewing enthusiast improve their creative capability. This machine comes with 110 unique utility, decorative, and heirloom stitches, including 8 styles of one-step, auto-size buttonholes. These features allow you to easily construct everything from garments to quilting masterpieces. The Brother XR9550PRW is equipped with easy-to-use features like a large LCD screen that enables computerized stitch selection, free arm capability for sewing cuffs and sleeves, and drop feed for free motion quilting and sewing. Simply choose your stitches and settings with the intuitive push-button stitch selectors, then see your stitch and stitch settings clearly displayed on the LCD display screen. At number 8 we have listed the best CS6000i computerized sewing and best quilting machines. This user-friendly and portable sewing and quilting machine offers a wide range of quilting and sewing features at an affordable price. The CS6000i features 60 built-in sewing stitches, including decorative stitches and 7 styles of one-step buttonholes. There are 9 presser feet included in this machine: buttonhole, overcasting, monogramming, zipper, zigzag, blind stitch, button fitting, walking, and spring action quilting foot. This machine also includes a detachable wide table that is perfect for larger quilting projects. The Brother CS6000i sewing machine has been engineered for ease of use. A simple-to-view backlit LCD display, an automatic needle threader, easy-to-follow threading diagrams, and an adjustable sewing speed control system are all included. An easy-to-see, brightly lit sewing area is quite helpful when sewing on dark fabrics. An automatic needle threader has been added to perfectly align thread through the needle. A built-in free arm helps to assist with sewing pant legs, sleeves, and other cylindrical items. The CS6000i sewing machine also includes a hard machine case, making it a perfect traveling sewing machine. The CS6000i sewing and quilting machine includes a printed quick start guide and complete instructions manuals in English and Spanish. We do not recommend using this machine in countries that do not support 120 volts AC, even if a voltage adapter is in use. This sewing and quilting machine includes a bilingual user manual, a 25-year limited and free technical support for the life of the product. This sewing and quilting machine includes an automatic needle threader that perfectly pushes the thread through the needle and a convenient, jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. At number 7, the 4423 heavy-duty sewing machine with included accessory kit. The heavy-duty Singer sewing machines and its sewing accessories are an easy-to-use and versatile products. At number 6 we have the Best Brothers sewing machine, GX37, 37 built-in stitches, 6 included sewing feet. The GX37 makes everyday sewing a breeze. This 37-stitch, Brother sewing machine comes with 37 built-in utility and decorative stitches perfect for garment construction, applique and more. The stitches are conveniently printed on the machine and selecting your stitch is as easy as turning the dial. Make virtually perfect buttonholes with the GX37 automatic one-step buttonhole stitch and buttonhole foot. The GX37 also features free arm sewing capability, ideal for sewing cuffs and sleeves. This machine comes packed with included accessories such as zigzag foot, buttonhole foot, zipper foot, button sewing foot, blind stitch foot, and narrow hemmer foot, as well as an instructional DVD to get you started. At number 5 we have listed the RLX 3817 full-size Brother sewing machine. The LS14s is a traditional metal chassis sewing machine with 14 stitches including a 4-step buttonhole. Perfect for dressmaking and everyday household sewing. The LS14s has a jam-proof drop-in bobbin which shows how much bobbin thread is left, whilst the LED light means that thread and fabric colors are not distorted. At number 4 we have positioned the M1000 sewing machine 32-stitch applications. The Singer M1000 mending machine is only 5.5 pounds (2.5 kilograms), making it a lightweight, portable sidekick for the sewist on the go. An affordable machine with easy setup, a portable size, preset stitch settings, and 32-stitch applications that will assist you with simpler mending, quilt piecing, or basic crafts. For thicker fabrics and more applications, a full-size machine would be recommended. Choose from 32 essential stitch applications for everyday mending. The M1000 has a free arm, perfect for sewing dress shirt cuffs or dress hems. At number 3 we have positioned the 1034D heavy-duty metal frame overlock machine. The Brother 1034D Serger features a 3/4 lay-in thread system with lower looper threader. Stitch options include 4-thread overlock, 3-thread overlock, narrow hem, rolled hem and ribbon lock stitches. Additionally, you can sew blind hem, pin tuck and flat lock stitches by purchasing optional presser feet. The machine has a free arm, flat bed convertible sewing surface. The 1034D also offers a fast lower looper threading system for easy thread changes. The differential feed improves sewing results on stretch or thin fabrics to give you a perfect finish. Snap-on presser feet allow quick and easy changes to transition to each desired stitch. This machine does not conform to international electronic codes. The Brother machine is a durable serger made with a high-quality metal frame and interior components. A reliable 3 or 4 thread serger that can handle multiple layers of denim and other heavy materials. Get more serging done in less time by sewing up to 1,300 stitches per minute. At number 2 we have positioned the HAITRAL mini sewing machine. About the sewing machine, this is a mini lightweight, compact and portable sewing machine that features double thread, double speed, no reverse button. Perfect for little projects or teaching kids and beginners to sew. Before you purchase, please note that this mini sewing machine is a basic level machine. It is unable to sew certain thick fabrics, thick jeans, just ordinary thin fabrics. Power supply and battery, 2 power supply modes, but the power and the battery cannot be used at the same time. If they are used at the same, damage may happen to the machine. This mini sewing machine is made of plastic, has a perfect size and light weight, can easily carry and move to any place to use it. Can choose hand switch or foot pedal to start, will be very interesting. Sewing design have bottom line and surface line, gives you stable and high quality sewing for your all projects, can stitch on any fabric from delicate silks to denims, low or high speed. The speed can be adjusted so that novice, children or a master can operate it easily. Suit for sewing beginner, recommended for ages 13 and up, a simple DIY family life sewing machine. It's important and necessary to read instruction before using. Moreover, it's a teaching video here. Welcome to contact us if have any questions. A top choice, and at number 1 we listed the sewing machine, GX37, 37 built-in stitches. The GX37 makes everyday sewing a breeze. This 37-stitch, brother sewing machine comes with 37 built-in utility and decorative stitches perfect for garment construction, applique and more. The stitches are conveniently printed on the machine and selecting your stitch is as easy as turning the dial. Make virtually perfect buttonholes with the GX37 automatic one-step buttonhole stitch and buttonhole foot. The GX37 also features free arm sewing capability, ideal for sewing cuffs and sleeves. This machine comes packed with included accessories such as zigzag foot, buttonhole foot, zipper foot, button sewing foot, blind stitch foot, and narrow hemmer foot, as well as an instructional DVD to get you started. If you like our video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. And check the latest prices of mentioned products from links given in the description. We are highly grateful for your love and support.